Hi there, welcome, good to see you. So in this video I want to give you an overview of computer toolbox. So what basically we'll be doing, I'll be flipping pictures that will be showing you the field and the tools needed. Of course, in the description box I will send the links where you can find them. So you'll be pausing the video, you check what is on the picture, you check the name of the tools, then you go and download them so that you can learn how to use them. Of course, in other videos we'll be learning how to use these tools, but let me give you an very important overview of the things we need. So foundation or the basic tool that you need to have is what we call a gadget. So you need to have gadgets for a gadget, at least a phone, a computer, a phone I mean a smartphone, or a tablet, or an iPad, or a desktop, at least a flash, and other basic requirements or equipments that you need to have, of course the ones that are even in the picture. Okay, so let's delve in now into the fields. We just pick some of the fields and the tools that are needed there. In cybersecurity, you need to have those tools. Okay, for example, Wireshark. So you can download Nmap, Nikto, and other tools that can be needed. Of course, programming languages are needed, for example Java or Python. So you can download Java or Python. You can begin with one of those. Basically what is easy for beginners and which is easy to learn is Python, so you can go for Python. Of course, in graphic designing you need to have tools, so I will list down the tools. Some artificial intelligence tools, some are just basic tools like Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. It's very important. I will give you the links and where you can find them. Of course, these 10 best tools for graphic designers, some artificial intelligence, some are just open source tools that you need to have. So you can just pause the video, you check what is there. Of course, and some more tools, even Canva is good for starters, so you need to have Canva. It's free and it have some pro paid versions, but it have an exciting free version which can help you develop morale, confidence in designing. Okay, so apart from that, you need to, for example, you want to become an app developer, you want to be making applications. We have 7 best free AI tools, so these are them, so you can just check out for them. I'll send links where you can find them. Of course, you need to have at least these 10 programming languages that can be used in mobile app development. Of course, C++, Java are basic. You can begin with any of these. Okay. If you want to become a cartoon designer, there are some free tools that you need to begin with. Canva is the best tool that you can start with. Of course, even Tunaza, Adobe Character Animator, and many other tools as you'll be learning if you start advancing in cartoon designing. Apart from that, maybe you want to become a data analyst. These are the tools. For example, the basic and foundation that you can begin with is maybe, let's say, Excel and Python. Then you can be going to other important tools. So you can just pause the video, you check through what is there and which one can basically help you. So if you want to become, let's say, a web designer, these are the basics that you need to have. At least JavaScript, which can give the behavior of the website, CSS, which can give the presentation of the way your website will be looking, and HTML for structure. So you can begin with these basics. You can download them, and I can advise you to download all these 3 programming languages that you can use in web designing. Of course, Python, C++, PHP, all those are good for web designing. And again, maybe let's give you also this. For example, if you want to become a data collector, these are the data collection tools and methods. So you can just pause the video, you check which are these, and then I'll give you the links where you can find them. Thank you very much for watching. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chanda Agritech, a place where we'll be equipping you with a lot of practical knowledge. So this video was just basically to give you an overview. So what you'll be doing is to be pausing the video, then you check what is on the picture, and I'll send in the description box the links where you can find all these tools. This is very important for you as a beginner or somebody who is already in the system. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to share the video. Bye bye.